Hello guys, good evening. It's already 5 o'clock. This episode actually is like I'm trying to make the pumpkins, or in our language is kalabasa. I already steam it. This over here, this already steamed. This about 1.5, no, it's 1/4, actually 1/4 kilo of the pumpkins, just 1/4, the small portion. So this is gonna be a pumpkins martini, and the main ingredients is the vodka. It's a Tito's vodka, actually. It's gluten free. If you try to be healthy, then use the gluten free, and then plus the pumpkin. So there's gonna be healthy drinks also, and a Grenadine syrup, and then the soju. It's a Korean drinks, and then I got the cherry. This is gonna be my garnish, and then I got the calamansi, and then the honey. So if you guys don't not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and just hit the notification bell button, and you guys gonna be updated all the time. Anyway, okay, then the glass. Let me get the glass and the ice. I always keep my glass actually in the freezer, especially if I do the martini. So it's really nice chilled martini glass, right? Ice on the glass, about scoop of ice. Oh, just hold on, it's not done yet. Let me blend first the pumpkins, because this is not blended yet. This really really warm, you know. This is my grandson processor, actually, so you can steam it and you can blend after you processing the foods. And that's it. Let me get the strainer, because this is gonna be double strain. You have to double it so that there's not much of sediment anyway. So vodka is a Tito's vodka, a Jigger of Tito's vodka. And then a jigger of the soju, and then this honey calamansi. So it's a jigger also. I add a fresh calamansi actually, so this is gonna be like a little bit more of the fresh calamansi, really fresh. So a jigger, and this is the pumpkin puree right now. In fact, you can make a pumpkin daiquiri also if you want to, because this is gonna be really healthy and really good. A pumpkin daiquiri. So can you imagine that? If you got pumpkin pie, you got the pumpkin martini or pumpkin daiquiri also. So this is gonna be this only 2 jigger of the pumpkin down there. So let me make 2.5 jigger of the pumpkin. So I still has a lot of pumpkin down here. So you can make a pumpkin daiquiri also. So put that in your mind, because that's gonna be really healthy drinks. If you do the pumpkin pie, and then now you got the pumpkin martini, and then you got the pumpkin daiquiri. So a jigger of ice, not a jigger, but a scoop of ice, by the way. And that's it. Now the Grenadine syrup, that's gonna be the end. Gonna be listing in the glass. So there's gonna be about a dust of the Grenadine syrup. So that's gonna be your pumpkin martini, double strength. You get nice combinations, really nice color also. See? Perfect. So that is perfect pour. Look at that. Nice one. Here we go. And a garnish. Garnish with the calamansi. And then the cherry. Here we go. This is your pumpkin martini. And please again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and share in my Facebook page also, Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram. And thank you so much guys, and happy weekend. That's it.